The brand sent me this premium bread proofing basket set to try, and I'm just getting into my sourdough era, so I'm excited for this. In this set, you will get a dough whisk, and if you bake bread, then you know this is a must-have. The one I already have has a long handle, but I think I like this smaller handle better because it seems more ergonomic. You'll get a silicone brush, a round brush, a silicone bread sling. This has measurements on it as well. You get a set of measuring cups, a bread lane with 5 blades. This is for scoring your breads, a plastic dough scraper for the inside of the bowls, and a steel dough scraper as well. This one also has measurements, which I think is neat. You also get 2 round Banneton proofing baskets. One is 9 inches and the other is 10 inches. It comes with cloth liners and 2 floral liners as well. Now, I have just started baking a freshly milled ancient grain sourdough bread, so I'm going to use some of the things from this set to complete the bread. The steel dough scraper is working great. It has a comfortable handle and is a great size. I really like the floral liners as well. It just adds to the appeal. I let the dough double in size and covered it with the floral liners, and now it's ready to bake. I grabbed the silicone bread sling and it sits so well on it. It's a perfect size to me if you're making a round loaf bread. Now, I will say that I'm not the greatest at scoring. I am still learning that, but I do like how easy it is to use this lame. The handle is comfortable to hold and the blade is cutting really nicely, as you can see. Look how great this sling fits into my Dutch oven. The bread went in the oven to bake, and this is what it looked like after. It is a perfect golden color, and like I said, I need to work on my scoring, but it turned out just as expected. I also like to spread some butter on top, so yes, it does take away from the scoring, but that's okay. It tastes a lot better that way. This is what it looks like when I cut into it. This bread baking set has everything you need to bake a bread minus the ingredients. This is a great value, especially if you're just starting and looking for all the necessities to make your own bread.